What is up, you guys? It's Brianna MUA, and I'm back again with another tutorial. Today's tutorial is going to be how to highlight and contour like a pro. So if you'd like to see my personalized version, please continue watching. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. So getting started, I've already done my entire face, my eyes, brows, and foundation. And I'm just pretty much pointing out where you're going to do your highlight, which is anywhere you kind of want to stand out or where natural light hits. And those areas are under the eye, down the bridge of the nose, the chin, and your forehead. And I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee. And you can get this item at your local beauty supply store, and it's only like, depending on the area, between $2.99 and $3.99. It just depends. So when doing your highlight, when you do it under the eyes, you kind of want to do it to shape your face. So depending on how wide or thin your face is how far you want to drag the concealer out. And you want to use just enough, not too much. Now I'm going to show you guys with you can use either a beauty blender or a large fluffy brush. So with your beauty blender or your fluffy brush, you want to make sure both items, or whichever you choose to use, are damp, because this makes it easier to blend and create a seamless and airbrushed effect. And I'm just going in and patting in the concealer like so. Make sure you get it in all the creases under your eyes. Pat it in as good as possible. We want this to be seamless. And when you do the highlight down the bridge of your nose as well, to create that nice thin look, you want to make the concealer line as thin as possible, because if you make it wider, your nose will appear wide. But now I'm going in and cleaning up any harsh lines. Like I said, we want it to be as seamless as possible. Now the next part is very important, which is setting. And I'm just using a very thin layer of my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, because we want it to look as natural as possible. So we don't have to require any baking or anything like that. And I'm just putting that everywhere I've placed my cream highlight. Now, I like to keep things on the more of a neutral side. Like, I do like the cream contour, but 9 times out of 10, I'm going to go for the powder, which is my Raisin Blush by MAC. And just here, I set my face with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in dark or deep. And to contour, you're going to pretty much focus on any areas like the hollows of your cheek, around your hairline, and your jawline. So highlighting is everything we want to stand out. Contouring is the opposite. Everything we want to kind of conceal. Give our face a nice shape. Moving on, to make our contour stand out a little bit more, I'm using a new blush I got from Maybelline Fit Me from my local Walmart. And it's like a berry color, and it's very pretty. I thought it would be nice to make my contour stand out. And then to make the contour pop even more, I'm just going in with a little bit of my powder and lining my jaw, cleaning up that contour so it doesn't look as sloppy. Then to finish it up, my favorite part is adding my illuminator or my highlighter, and this is one of my favorites by Artist Couture in the shade Conceited. And then to make the nose appear a little bit slimmer, I'm just going to take a eyeshadow brush that I used previously and kind of carve out my nose, starting from the eyebrow and following the bone structure of my nose, like so. And that pretty much sums this look up, you guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe.